There are fast cars, and then there is the Rimac Nevera R. A machine so advanced, so powerful, and so relentless it didn't just break records, it shattered them. 24 world records. In one jaw-dropping, history-making run. This is the story of the Rimac Nevera R, the electric hypercar that rewrote the laws of performance forever. 1. The birth of a monster. Rimac Automobile, a name that didn't even exist 2 decades ago, is now synonymous with the future of speed. Born from the dream of mate Rimac, a young Croatian visionary who converted his old BMW into an electric race car, Rimac has evolved into the vanguard of electric hypercars. The Nevera R is the culmination of that vision. More than a car, it's a declaration of war against physics. Underneath its carbon fiber skin lies a masterpiece of engineering: 4 electric motors producing an earth-shaking 1,914 horsepower, and a massive 120 kilowatt-hour battery delivering both brutal performance and incredible range. But the Nevera R isn't just fast, it's smart. With AI-assisted torque vectoring, unmatched aerodynamics, and next-gen cooling systems, it's the perfect marriage of power and control. 2. The stage is set. On a crisp morning at the Automotive testing Papenburg track, the world held its breath. The Nevera R was about to attempt what no car, electric or otherwise, had ever dared: to set not 1, not 2, but 24 official world records in a single day. A monumental feat that would test the limits of engineering, tires, and human courage alike. This was no ordinary publicity stunt. Every record attempt was overseen by professional timekeepers and certified under the strictest conditions. No room for error. No second chances. 3. And then it began. The first record fell almost immediately, the fastest 0 to 60 miles per hour time ever recorded for a production car. Then came the 0100, the 0200, the quarter mile, the half mile, the full mile. One by one, records tumbled like dominoes before the sheer might of the Nevera R. In mere seconds, the car would vanish down the straight, leaving behind only silence and disbelief. It hit 0 to 60 in just 1.74 seconds. The quarter mile was demolished in 8.25 seconds. And the 0-400-0 km/h, the fabled benchmark of hypercar supremacy, was achieved in just 29.93 seconds, obliterating even the most optimistic predictions. 4. Not just straight-line speed. But the Nevera R isn't just a drag strip king. It also rewrote the book on handling and braking. From blistering corner-to-corner times to stopping distances shorter than any other car of its caliber, the Nevera proved it's just as comfortable carving through corners as it is rocketing in a straight line. With its advanced all-wheel torque vectoring and impossibly low center of gravity, the Nevera R felt less like a car and more like an extension of the driver's mind, perfectly balanced, utterly precise, and terrifyingly quick. 5. The records, one by one. Here's what the Rimac Nevera R accomplished in that single unforgettable day. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 1.74 seconds. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 1.82 seconds. 0 to 200 kilometers per hour, 4.42 seconds. 0 to 300 kilometers per hour, 9.22 seconds. 0 to 400 kilometers per hour, 21.31 seconds. 0-100 km/h, 4.03 seconds. 0-200 km/h, 8.85 seconds. 0-400 km/h, 29.93 seconds. Quarter mile, 8.25 seconds at 171 miles per hour. Half mile, 12.82 seconds. Full mile, 20.59 seconds. And many more in categories like slalom, braking, and rolling starts. In total, 24 verified world records. A clean sweep. A perfect storm of technology and ambition. 6. The legacy. The Nevera R has done more than just break records, it has redefined what a hypercar can be. In a world where skeptics doubted the potential of electric vehicles, Rimac answered with thunder. With lightning in its veins, the Nevera R has proven that the future of performance isn't just electric, it's electrifying. And beyond the records, beyond the speed, the Nevera R stands as a symbol of what human ingenuity can achieve when it dares to dream big. 7. The science behind the speed. What makes the Nevera R so uniquely capable? At the heart of its success lies cutting-edge technology, honed by some of the world's brightest minds. Every component, from the carbon monocoque chassis to the ultra-efficient cooling system, was engineered with relentless precision. Unlike conventional cars that rely on internal combustion engines, the Nevera uses 4 individual electric motors, each powering a single wheel. This not only allows blistering power delivery but also gives the car supernatural levels of control in every situation. 8. Breaking the cycle. When electric cars first emerged, they were dismissed as slow, heavy, and boring. Rimac shattered that perception. By demonstrating that electric vehicles could outperform even the most revered hypercars, the Nevera R flipped the narrative completely, showing the world that electricity isn't just an alternative, it's the ultimate evolution. 9. A Croatian dream on the world stage. It's easy to forget where this story began, in a small Croatian garage. Rimac Automobile's journey from humble beginnings to global dominance is a testament to perseverance, innovation, and belief. Croatia, a country not known for automotive history, is now etched into the annals of hypercar legend thanks to the Nevera R. 10. The driver behind the wheel. But even the most advanced car needs a human to unleash its potential. Behind every record was a skilled test driver, someone who could trust the machine while pushing it beyond the edge. The driver's mastery of precision launches, braking, and cornering was as critical as the car itself. 11. Engineering challenges and triumphs. Getting to this point wasn't easy. Early prototypes suffered failures, components overheated, tires shredded under the forces unleashed, and electronics were pushed to their limits. But each setback became a lesson. Each failure forged a stronger, faster, and more reliable machine. The Nevera R is not just a success, it's the sum of countless struggles. 12. The impact on the industry. The ripple effect of Rimac's achievement is being felt across the automotive industry. Legacy brands, once hesitant about EVs, are now racing to catch up. Rival hypercars are being re-engineered. New technologies are being fast-tracked. The Nevera R has lit a fire under the entire industry, proving there's no turning back from an electrified future. 13. The digital co-pilot. Part of the Nevera's magic comes not from hardware alone, but from the software that orchestrates everything in perfect harmony. Rimac's advanced digital systems constantly monitor and adjust power delivery, traction, and braking hundreds of times per second, ensuring optimal performance and safety. It's a hypercar with an artificial brain. 14. The records that fell before. Before the Nevera R, there were giants: the Bugatti Chiron, the Koenigsegg Agera RS, and others. Each set records in their day, each raised the bar higher. But every record that stood before the Nevera R now belongs to history. The Nevera didn't just meet their benchmarks, it obliterated them. 15. What's next for Rimac? With the Nevera R's success, the world wonders what's next. Rimac has already hinted at new projects, collaborations, and even entirely new vehicle segments. If the Nevera R is the beginning, the next chapter in Rimac's story might very well redefine transportation itself. 16. The human reaction. When the world witnessed the Nevera R's record-breaking run, the reaction was electric. Fans, skeptics, and even competitors couldn't help but applaud the achievement. Social media erupted with awe, and the Nevera R became the car everyone was talking about, a symbol of what's possible when ambition meets innovation. 17. From racetrack to road. What makes the Nevera R even more astonishing is that it's not just a track weapon, it's road legal. Owners can experience near-record-breaking performance on public roads while enjoying luxury, technology, and comfort that rivals the finest Grand Tourers. It's a car that wears 2 crowns, king of the track and ruler of the road. 18. Design without compromise. Every curve, every crease on the Nevera R's body serves a purpose. The car's design is a perfect balance between aesthetics and aerodynamics. From the active rear wing to the sculpted air channels, nothing is left to chance. It's a rolling sculpture that slices through the air as efficiently as it seduces the eyes. 19. The power of electricity. The Nevera R's 120 kWh battery isn't just about power, it's about delivering that power instantly, sustainably, and without compromise. Advanced cooling systems and regenerative braking ensure efficiency, even when pushed to its extremes. In the Nevera R, electricity isn't just clean, it's lethal. 20. The legend lives on. Years from now, enthusiasts will look back at this moment as the dawn of a new era. The day the Rimac Nevera R shattered 24 world records and proved once and for all that the future of speed is electric. The legend of the Nevera R isn't just written in numbers, it's etched into history. So where does the road lead from here? If the Rimac Nevera R has shown us anything, it's that limits exist only to be shattered. In the quiet hum of its motors lies the roar of a new era, an era where the impossible is simply the beginning. This is not the end of the story. This is just the start. Buckle up, the future is coming, fast. Rimac Nevera R, 24 records. One legend.